Hello and welcome, I'm Alex Zapp, CEO of ZAPTEST. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use ZAPTEST Copilot. Copilot is an innovative AI-driven feature designed to assist users in generating scripts, solving problems, and providing in-depth insights into the various functionalities of ZAPTEST. Its main purpose is to augment users by reducing manual script development work and compensating for a lack of tool-related expertise. To operate ZAPTEST Copilot, you need internet access. It communicates with the ZAPTEST Copilot service using the HTTPS protocol. You can access Copilot controls from the Copilot tab in the OneScript Studio or by clicking the AI Copilot button on the main toolbar. Copilot is designed as a separate tab, allowing you to adjust the layout to access both the script editor and Copilot simultaneously. The main toolbox controls include a button to start a new chat, a button to send a request to the ZAPTEST experts team, and a button to display Copilot help. Additional buttons allow you to resize the Copilot tab horizontally and vertically to view more content. ZAPTEST Copilot operates like a chat. You type a question in the prompt field, press the send button, and Copilot responds with an answer. In the first example, we ask Copilot to explain the click method. Copilot returns a detailed description with examples in JavaScript. For each code sample, ZAPTEST provides buttons to copy the code to the clipboard and to insert it directly into the script at the cursor position. Next, we ask about the type method. Since this is a continuation of the same chat, Copilot understands that we want an explanation of the method that enables keyboard typing operations. If you need to change the topic, simply click the New Chat button. This clears the conversation history and starts a new chat. In another example, we ask Copilot to create a script by providing a description of the task, to define steps to test user login to the ZAPTEST demo site. Copilot's response contains a script that we copy to the script editor with a single click. The script includes a launch step to open the browser window and references data table parameters as specified in the task. Similarly, we can use Copilot to process a manual test case and generate a test script following ZAPTEST automation rules and best practices with detailed explanations of the steps and parameters used. In the next example, we request Copilot to generate specific code. For convenience, ZAPTEST provides access to objects in the repository so that Copilot can produce steps more accurately. To reference an existing object, we can type a hash symbol to invoke the object's list. Typing the first few letters of an object's name applies a filter, allowing us to select the desired object from the filtered list. Alternatively, we can include an object by double-clicking it or dragging it from the GUI map or repository explorer. Using the same technique, we can reference data table parameters. Using this approach, we define steps to open the browser, navigate to the demo site, click the login object, enter the username and password on the login page, and submit the login form. Next, we ask Copilot to create steps for clicking the logout button and closing the browser window. Once the script steps are generated, we can append them to the bottom of the existing script. The code snippet also allows us to select and copy parts of the generated code. When we have multiple requests in the history, we can use the up or down arrow keys to access them in the prompt field. For more complex tasks, we can copy our script into the prompt and provide instructions on what to do with it. In one example, we ask Copilot to replace hard-coded username and password values with data table parameters. This technique can enhance the script with parameters, loops, richer logic, or even find and correct errors. We can ask Copilot to explain runtime errors, create regular expressions, and more. Copilot also provides assistance with ZAPTEST features and options. For instance, we ask Copilot to change its runtime behavior and customize the content of the results report. In addition to the AI-powered Copilot, ZAPTEST offers an easy way to request assistance from a team of ZAP experts. Clicking the Assistance button opens a dialog where you can submit an inquiry. A ZAP expert will respond via email with the answer. Please confirm your email address to ensure prompt assistance. Thank you for using ZAPTEST. To learn more, visit our website at ZAPTEST.AI, and don't forget, be happy and let's zap.